Can I buy just the AirPod case without buying the entire set?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be answering a question that many AirPods users have been asking. Can I buy just the AirPod case without buying the entire set? It's a valid question, especially if your AirPods are still working perfectly, but the case has seen better days.
Can I buy the AirPods case separately?
So, straight to the point. Yes, you can purchase just the AirPods case without the earbuds. Apple does sell replacement charging cases for their AirPods product line. If your case has been lost, damaged, or is no longer holding a charge as it should, you can buy a new case rather than replacing the entire AirPods set. However, availability may vary, so it's always best to check with your local Apple store or authorized retailers.
Is it worth buying just the case?
Whether it's worth buying just the case depends on several factors. First, if your AirPods and the case are both damaged or not functioning properly, it might be more cost-effective to buy a new set entirely. If only your case is damaged or lost, however, purchasing a new case makes sense. The decision boils down to the condition of your AirPods and your budget.
How to buy an AirPods case?
Now, if you've decided to go ahead and buy a replacement case, you might be wondering where and how to purchase one. You can visit an Apple store or an authorized Apple retailer, or check out the Apple website. Just remember to ensure you're purchasing the correct case for your model of AirPods, as the original AirPods, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Max all have different cases. And that wraps up our discussion for today. The answer is yes. You can buy just the AirPods case without needing to purchase the entire set. Whether it's a worthy investment depends on your specific situation, but it's certainly an option for those who need it. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, feel free to drop any questions you may have in the comments below. See you next time.